Hello everybody! Welcome back to another episode of Crappy Unboxings with TMAN, and today we will be looking at this, the Lenovo Graphite Gray IdeaPad Flex 5, which is gonna be my new laptop after I get it ready. Now, I'm not a particularly technical person, so off the top of my head, this graphite gray laptop can convert into like a tablet form and fold over, and it's got like 16 gigabytes of RAM and half a terabyte of storage, and it comes with a Ryzen 7 processor. So I bought this from Costco. Typically it's $1,000 Canadian, but I got that fancy-ass Costco discount, and now it was only priced at $800, which is cool, but then after tax it got like to $890. But hey, that's still like over $100 in savings, so let's pop this baby open. Alright, let's start opening up this bad boy. You know, this was not only very well packaged, but when it was delivered, it also came with free sacks of air. Wow, talk about a deal. Oh, and so you can see the laptop right away. It's encased entirely in this foam stuff, and there's some additional stuff in the side. This is the part where I pull the stuff out. I can't read, what? And so this is like a two-piece adapter, and it uses, oh, it charges by USB, that's interesting. And so this is what it looks like out of the box. Oh no, I'm gonna have to age restrict this video because now there's stripping involved. So many layers, what a tease. Pull this out of the side. Well, isn't that nice looking? Shiny, sleek, smooth design. It's like, do you call it matte? I don't know. Got the Lenovo, the symbol because it's Lenovo. And the underside, which has stuff, it's got like a vent. On the sides, it's got like, I think this is like power. And then it's got a no, that's an HDMI port. Ooh, that's fancy. And then I think this is how it charges, and then like headphones and other type of headphones. But what do these ports do? Ah, the power button is over on the side. That's good, I guess. And then you can insert memory, yeah. And then 2 USB ports. How many bananas does this weigh? I cannot weigh this for whatever reason. Okay. I guess that's supposed to wrap up the review, but alright, this thing opens up. Oh shit, I've never done a real hardware review before. So there's like no locking mechanism, and it opens up real nice. Ooh, oh baby. And so let's get this out of the way. According to the Costco reviews, this is a bilingual keyboard. Gotta be honest, I do not see the difference yet. You can hear the clickies. Yep, the clickies are definitely there. And then it's got this big screen with like minimal edges to it, and that's cool. And it's got a good camera. There's no camera on the other side, which is fine if you do not care about stalking people or recording like lectures. There's this thing here. I think it's like for fingerprints. Probably won't bother with that shit. Okay. And our articulation. Take this, watch the hinge. I heard in some reviews that people broke their hinges. Wow, that is totally flat. And then, oh, Bending it backwards. Bending it backwards. Okay. Yeah, baby, that's what I'm talking about. It's like a tablet. That's cool. You know, big shiny tablet, or just a keyboard by itself. and you can prop it up. That's cool. I will probably keep it like this when I'm at home and connect it to my my monitor. Although this is higher resolution than my monitor, so this might become my main screen. Now what the fuck am I supposed to talk about? I don't know, I guess I have to like turn it on or something. So I'm starting up the thing right now. Ooh, there it is. The first time it's lighting up. Good computer. And it's got a light up keyboard actually, and a little thing to like scroll your camera like on and off. So that's cool. It's like a manual shutter. So I'm gonna be setting this up and we'll come back. So it has been a few hours since I set everything up, and I am thoroughly satisfied with this product. Just to give some context, this is the bar that was set. I was moving from a Surface Pro 3 purchased around 2015. It has a bloating battery. It no longer holds a charge if it's unplugged. It has a screen flickering problem, and I am pretty sure some of its processing power has diminished. It was like an Intel Core i3. Now before, I would not be able to run 3 YouTube streams, Minecraft at 3 digits FPS, or Discord together. No, instead, I would be running Minecraft by itself at like 15 FPS, but now my Optifine is reading 110 frames. Me not being a very experienced hardware connoisseur, all I can really say is that the IdeaPad 5 outperforms a 6-year-old Surface Pro 3. This thing has been my loyal companion for the last 6 years, but it is a fire hazard now, so I have to dispose of it. Otherwise, yeah, this is a very informal kind of review because, well, frankly, this isn't really a normal unboxing video. It's just me giving an update on my hardware and what I'm doing. So, thanks for watching this anyways. I rate this 10 out of 10 simply for running Minecraft at a 3-digit FPS, even though the human eye can only see up to 60 FPS. So, yeah. Okay, bye.